Do you really think that the Triumph rumor is true with Ricky Carmichael with testing and about to drop a moto category bike? Yeah, at this point, it's not that much of a secret anymore. They've announced it and they bought a compound. They bought the old Moto X compound that was Matt Walker's place. They're testing the bike. Apparently, they've got some pretty good stuff. And they've already signed riders. Now, what I think is weird about this Triumph deal is that they're going to run 250s first and then 450s a year or two after that, which is weird because I think it's way easier to make a competitive 450 than it is a 250 where horsepower is everything. But whatever, they must know something or have something. Now, we already know they've signed some riders. Who do we think they've signed? Vital did a video about this a few days ago. They think that they've signed Swole, and that they've signed Evan Ferry, and that they're either have found or are looking for a third guy. Could be somebody like Faulkner, Shimoda, Hampshire, something like that. But according to the rumors, we should be seeing some official news releases in the next couple months.